Hi, Naledi. Thanks so much for your question. So in this particular question, in the video that you were watching, Sal was trying to explain how we simplify square roots by looking what underneath the square root sign can actually be simplified. So what we're going to do here is take 117 and we're going to break it up into its prime factors. And that way we can see if there's any number that we can write as a squared number, as a perfect square. And that's basically what he does in the video. So we're going to take 117 and we're going to break it up into its prime factors. So we're going to get 117 and we're going to divide 117 by 3 because 3 does go into 117. If we add 1 plus 1 plus 7, that gives us 9, and that's a multiple of 3, so we can take 3 out. So we're going to get 117 divided by 3, that's going to give us, 3 can't go into 1, but it can go into 11 3 times. So we're going to get a 3 here, and what we're going to get left over is 2, so that's going to give us 27. I hope you're following with me. So that's going to give us 27 because there's a remainder of 2, and 3 goes into 27 9 times. That's what we're going to get there. And then we're going to break it down into its prime factors again. Okay, we can't use 2 as a prime number, so we can use 3 here. And if we divide 39 by 3, we're going to get 13. Then you'll find that 13 is also a prime number. So the only number we can actually divide 13 by is 13 again. So if we break 117 up into its prime factors, what we're going to get is that 117 is equal to 3 times 3 times 13. That's how we can write it. But we know that 3 times 3 is the same thing as 3 squared, right? Multiplied by 13. And this is exactly what we're going to put underneath that square root sign that they've given us there. So we're going to replace 117 by 3 squared times 13. Let's see what that looks like. So we're going to get, this is equal to 5. Multiplied by the square root of, now we don't write 117 anymore, we're going to write 3 squared multiplied by 13. And now we know that 3 squared is the same thing as 9, and we can actually find the square root of 9 that will give us 3. So we're going to take 3 squared out of the brackets as just 3. So we're going to get, this is equal to 5 multiplied by 3 outside of our square root sign, and the only thing left underneath the square root sign is 13. 5 multiplied by 3, that's going to give us 15 square root 13. And that's the answer we're looking for here. And this is the method we normally use when we're trying to simplify square roots to see what it is we can get inside the square root that we can simplify or that we can take out of the square root. That's what simplifying square roots is about. Okay, I hope this was helpful. Try the lesson on the app and see if you get what they're trying to say in the video, and let us know how it goes. All right, all the best.